Thanks for watching Engineering Physics 2. I wanted to talk to you today about something very important. Thanks for watching again tonight. I had a really great question from a female student. I don't want to say any name in case she's embarrassed. But thank you for sending the question. If you ever have a question about physics, you can send it to me. Even if it's later in life, I'm out of my class. I love talking physics. She wrote, Dr. Wisby, would it be more efficient to have, could you have an electric car with a generator on board? Now that's a very interesting idea, because what if we could make an electric car that actually uses an electrical generator to produce electricity by burning gasoline? Would that be more efficient than using a traditional gas-powered car? So this is like a new idea, and I've heard of other ideas like this. But you might wonder, is this a way where we could get to 100 miles per gallon? This would be something totally new. Okay, so let's think about this just from a very, very, very simple point of view. All right. So if we go online and we Google what's the efficiency of an electrical generator, you'll find that it's between about 92 to 95%, depending on your load and how you run the generator and a lot of different factors. That's pretty much its maximum efficiency. So if you think about it, that's really amazing. You can get 95% conversion from gasoline into electricity. Now let's compare that to a gasoline power. If we burn gasoline using the thrust from the explosion to generate torque, okay? So we're not thinking about just converting the energy, because most of that energy is wasted. You produce a lot of heat, and most of it is just now in a gasoline powered generator. You're also burning it, but it's much more efficient because you're not trying to use gasoline, the explosive power of that gas, to move the piston. Now you're simply you're running a magnet in front of a coil. Okay, so you're not actually producing torque. Now you're actually just burning a small amount of gasoline at a time, and you're converting that into electricity. What I read online is true. We can get 92% efficient. All right. So let's do some calculations here, and let's design our car. Okay, so we'll call this the Wiztron. No, actually, it was a student's idea, but let's carry this through. Okay, so what would this mean? Well, why not have a car that is a I don't know what it is. It's something new. I guess it's a gas-powered hybrid. What do I mean by that? It's basically back here, we could have an electrical generator. Okay? This would produce electrical current, which we would store. So here's our generator. And then, of course, down here would be a bunch of batteries. Okay, so here's our batteries. The electrical generator is hooked to the batteries. Okay, so we also have a gasoline tank back here. So this would be not unlike a Prius, actually. Now that I'm thinking about this, why don't we just take a Prius, hot wire with the generator, and just drive that around? Here's why. Right? So here's our, let's say this is our gas tank. Okay, and then here is our series of batteries, and these would be pretty big. Okay, so now up here is actually going to be our electric motor. Okay, once we hook this up to our batteries, so check this out. We can make electricity back here by burning our gasoline tank. Okay, now our generator is 92% efficient. We already know that electric cars, so here's our electric car. Electric cars can be up to 80% efficient. Okay? Now we know that a standard gasoline powered car is anywhere from 13% to 30%. Okay? So this is a traditional car. There's our traditional car. Okay, so what is the ultimate efficiency of this going to be? So our new total efficiency will equal, let's say 80%. So it'll be 0.80 times 0.92. This is going to be our new efficiency. That's going to give us 0.736. Or if we convert this to a percentage, it's going to be 73.6% efficiency. That means 73.6% of our burning our gasoline is going to go into powering the car because we're generating electricity, we're storing it in a battery, and then we're using it to run our electric car. So this is not unlike a Prius, but it's something else. You're using the gas to actually just generate electricity. We're not using it to power the car in the sense of burning it and creating torque with pistons. So we only need one electric motor and a generator back here, and then the same battery pack. So we could even convert a Prius into this. Just throw out that gas motor, stick in a generator there, which would be smaller, way less. Now we're talking. Could we get a car that goes over 100 miles per gallon? Wouldn't that be something?
Thank you. Like and subscribe down below.